Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 4 Module 5 Lesson 9 homework. So let's get started. Each rectangle represents one. Alright, so number 1, compose the shaded fractions into larger fractional units. Express the equivalent fractions in a number sentence using division. First one has been done for you. Alright, so we look here, there was 2/4, but then they kind of put a box thing around it, so now it looks like 1/2. So I divide by 2 to get to 1/2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1, so 1/2. So for B, we're going to do the same thing, put this little, that looks really messy. It look like this around it. So we originally had 4/8, but then to get to 1/2 you need to divide by 4. Divide by 4 to get 1/2. Alright, so C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6/12. Alright, 6/12. To get to 1/2, divide by 6. You get 1/2. Alright, now D. This is 7/14. And if you draw a little box thing around it, now it looks like 1/2. So, to get to 1/2, divide by 7, and you get 1/2. Alright, next page. Number 2, compose the shaded fractions into larger fractional units. Express the equivalent fractions in a number sentence using division. So, the first one we have 2 out of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 2/12. And we can group it like this. So if we divide by 2, hold on. To write it out. You can get 1/6. And if you look at it without the line in the middle, it looks like one shaded piece out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total pieces. Alright, now let's look at B. We have 2/10. And if you divide both sides by 2, get 1/5. That's the bigger fraction. And now here is 1/4. Alright, and now 1/4, 2/8. And if you divide by 2, then you get 1/4. And for D, right now we have 2/6. If you look at it this way, divide by 2, then you get 1/3. So E is saying what happened to the size of the fractional units when you compose a fraction? Well, they got bigger. So the fractional units got bigger. And now F, what happened to the total number of units in the whole when you compose a fraction? Well, it got smaller because, for example, from 2/8, it went from 2/8 to 1/4. So it went from that to less units. So the number of units got smaller. Alright, now number 3. In the first area model, show 4/8. The second area model shows 6/12. Show how both fractions can be composed or renamed as the same unit fraction. Alright. So this one we're going to show 4/8. And to make it into larger fractions, can separate it, group it like this. So 4/8 and divide by 4, because now it looks like 1/2. So to get to 1/2, divide by 4, and you know 1/2. Here, 6/12. And if you group it like this, it looks like 1/2. So to get to 1/2, divide by 6 and get 1/2. Alright. Oh, and we put the number sentence there. Now for A, here show 4/8. Okay. And here show 8/16. So our number sentence, first 4/8. To get to 1/2, because it looks like 1/2. Right now, if you look at it, you need to divide by 4. You get 1/2. And for 8/16, if you divide by 8, you get 1/2 as well. So yeah. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!